Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight from your Civic Coupe. So the first thing we're going to do is open the trunk, and then we are going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop these lower two clips off. And you just want to put the screwdriver between the clip pieces and pry them apart. And then when the top part pries up, you can just pull out on the clip and remove it. And then we are going to remove this wiring harness plug that plugs the taillight in, and just push on that tab there on the top and pull out on the plug. Next, we're going to come around to the back of the taillight here, and then there's two Phillips screws we need to get out. And then we are going to take the palm of our hand, and we're going to give the edge of the taillight here a few thuds with our hand. And when we do that, it pops the taillight loose from the car. These clips here on the side pop out of the female end of the clip on the body of the car. And then go ahead and just pull out on this plug right here. And that's it, guys. Your taillight is out. Thanks for watching.